Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will draw an epic custom drawing for Charles Wang. Charles messaged me on Instagram and asked for a drawing with the Vegito and GOGETA in that pose, but drawn in my style and with a new and epic form. He wanted a mix of mastered Ultra Instinct and Ultra Ego. Sounds amazing, and I think I came up with something special. I will also announce the winner of the Future Trunks drawing at the end, so let's get right into it guys. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can start. Let's go.
I love the way you sound, your voice enticing. Can't help but keep you around. No need to fight it, yeah. 'Cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy. Know how it feels, you can make it through. Hard to love when it's controlling you. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you. Looks like our time is now. The stars are aligning. Need you to make me proud. Filling my soul with fire. Yeah, 'cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy. Know how it feels, you can make it through. Hard to love when it's controlling you. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you. Cause I know you are the way on my star. So don't go too far. Cause I know you are. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you.
Don't like fights, I don't like war, but I'm a survivor. I miss my thoughts, I miss my home, but I'm far away. I just want to come back to those days when I was just a girl, just a girl. Hey, all those days, those dreams. I just want to come back, to come back, to come back. Survivor. I miss my thoughts, I miss my home, but I'm far away. I just want to come back to those days when I was just a girl, just a girl. Hey, all those days, those dreams. I just want to come back, to come back, to come back.
So guys, last touch and then we are done with the custom drawing of Vegito and Gogeta with a new form made for Charles Wang. As you can see, I use the main color of each form for the hair, silver as a base and purple for the shades. I really had no idea of how that would look like, but I think it looks really cool. For the shades on the skin, I use a brown color pencil to overlay the marker to give it more contrast, which makes the skin look very shiny, which increases the effect of the aura. Charles and I are very happy with the final result, and I hope you guys like this drawing as well. If you do, please like this video, which will help it to reach a bigger audience, and subscribe to my channel to help me grow. I would really appreciate it, guys. Now, who is the winner of a print of this drawing of future tracks? And the winner is Cookie Triangle. Congrats, and message me on Instagram or email me so we can make the shipping happen. Alright guys, if you are also interested in getting a drawing done, you can also contact me on Instagram or email me. Prints of my drawings in any sizes are available on Etsy, and I will also upload this drawing in full time on my real-time drawing channel. All the links for everything down below, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video.